Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to pick up my special guest, Julio. Julio has been a good friend of mine since we worked together at Academy Sports and Outdoor. He has moved on from Academy and joined Border Patrol. He has recently graduated from Border Patrol Academy, and what better way to celebrate than on the river fishing with the boys. Hoping to set Julio on some nice largies and smallies. So stay tuned and enjoy our celebration of Julio's graduation. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button now for more fishing content.
I was caught on the limb. Dale. I'm ready.
I don't want it to fall.
I float.
That's your shotgun. Like a football, baby.
Cheers, boys. Cheers. Mira. He still did it. Beautiful bass.
Bandito or Kraken?
Bandito bug. Ah, he's chulo, man. He's really nice. Ah, lindo.
Pregúntale.
Huh?
Pregunta a sus camaradas.
He's super warm too.
Free. Shake him down, Rudy.
Right. Not gonna let you go until you tell me where your friends are.
Where are they? Little slap.
Little bandito bug. Right there.
You have a little...
Beautiful. There we go. That's a big old head.
want a picture with the background? I can feel it. Did you catch it on?
Worm. Good old.
No, wait.
Good old Preston speed worm.
Yeah, that's great.
Got one, boy. Got one. You go. If we really want to hit that part, we need to. That's a nice one, dude. Yeah, this ain't bad though. Oh shit, that's a nice one. I got the sinker too. Oh, trusty worm. Double up, George. Yeah. Yeah. Double up. Good job. Same time. Get a picture of that background. Green, changing color. Cold beverage. Good company. Lots of laughs and memories made today. It's okay, it's just I think we took too much time in the beginning. Oh, there's one.
Way too much time.
There's one. That's a nice one.
Wally?
I don't know what it is. It is volley. And the spinnerbait. Okay, buddy. Okay. The largest for me on Smalley today. There you go. Nice Smalley. A lot of rock here. He went under one of the rocks. That's why he felt way heavier. I thought he was a largie, a nice largie. Couldn't resist that tail.
It's obviously because of the clarity, right?
And I think it's the weather change. It's messing with them. Oh, where's another one? Tiny one. Largie. Ooh, double up.
It's been a while for us now, Rudy.
It's been a while. About the same size. George. Same size. Oh, you got stuck, William? Not the rock.
Oh, thank you, boys, for coming out here and chugging a few beers.
Speaking of,
you want one or what? Put it on? Yeah, it on. It's gorgeous, though.
it is, really is.
Like, it's relaxing. You don't hear nothing.
Forgot to mention this was my property.
You forgot to mention that. Poo 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 poo.
Now don't get out. Oh, this side is hot and this side is cold.
I think it's just your hand.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. I bet it's the same. I smell like fish. Lovely fish. I love the smell of bass. Check that one out, guys. It is a deformed smalley. Sheesh. Smalley has seen better days. Let him go. They'll deform. You could tell. Big belly, big head. Got a little baby hit. De mí. Ya ni me quiero meter ahí porque I don't want to get broken off again.
I said that so you can catch me.
And I caught one. You see the squirrel drinking water? No, over there. It just went up the tree now. Number 16, boys. 16. 16. End of the trail. Back at the Alright guys, that was the end of the trip. It was a bit challenging today. The water was super clear, more than usual, but it was great. We got to celebrate Julio's graduation, and after this we went and grabbed some burgers. So thank you again for staying to the end, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like and comment. We're gonna head on to the coast here in the next 4 or 5 days, so stay tuned, and thank you again.